Our main goal here is to screen sand for Quikrete. They bag it down in Brentwood, New Hampshire. We also crush stone for them. We make a half-inch stone. We have 2 RDO screening plants. One right now is screening out stone and stone dust, and we got another one down in the hole. We got a GT 125 jaw crusher crushing into it, and that's feeding a cone. I've been running CCs or RDO since I've been a little kid. Right after 9/11, we bought our first CEC plant, which is an RDO. The design of the machine hasn't changed in 20 years. If you look at the power screens and the Finleys, they all base their design off these 6x16s. These screening plants work great. We do a lot of screening in below zero weather up here, snowstorms, rain. They don't stop. They just screen on. We have a ball deck underneath there that helps keep the screens clean during the winter time, and we have a lot of clay. Joe over here, he's a hell of a salesman. Anytime I need anything, he's Johnny on the spot with my parts. The best part about it is we're not waiting for our parts. They're all American made.